Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from biology part, question number 147 to 160 in the competitive exam of NTSE in the part of SET year 2016. Question number 147. This is related to the photosynthesis reaction. It's a very easiest one. We are studying from lower class. Carbon dioxide react with sunlight, water and chlorophyll, which gives glucose, oxygen and water. So here the two places what should come, one is water, that is 12 H2O, another one is a chlorophyll. So water and chlorophyll required to complete this reaction, so that option is C is the right answer, water and chlorophyll. Question number 148. In bamboo plant, the water reaches all the parts of the plant. Name the force that helps in this process. இந்த மூங்கில் செடியில் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் என்னன்னா வாட்டர் ரீச் ஆகுது. ஸோ அது காரணம் என்னன்னு சொன்னால், மெயின் திங் தட் இஸ் transpiration pull. The transpiration pull is a major force which helps in ascent of sap, water and minerals in all trees. So transpiration pull is a main reason for the water reaches all the parts of the bamboo plant. Question number 149. Choose the correct arrangement of the parts A, B and C marked in the given figure. So we will mark the parts. Option B is the right answer for this. A represents plumule, then B represents cotyledon, then C represents radicle. Question number 150. The production of orchids by the method of tissue culture is also known as micropropagation. So option B is the right answer, micropropagation. Then question number 151. If a nail is hammered into the tree trunk, then the position of the nail after few years will be. ஸோ ஒரு ஆணி மரத்தில் அடிச்சிட்டோம்னா ஒரு ரொம்ப வருஷம் கழிச்சு பார்த்தோம்னா அந்த ஆணி எங்கே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, இட் வில் பி இன் த சேம் பிளேஸ் பிகாஸ் growth at the tip of stem and roots. Nail will be in the same place. So option A is the right answer. Question number 152. Which one of the following is a correct hierarchy of classification? We have to select the correct order in the kingdom of animals. So first kingdom, next what will come? Division. So division means phylum, also you can say phyla, then class, order, family, genus, species. So option A is the right answer for the correct hierarchy of classification of animals. Next 153. What will happen to the cell if the medium has a lower concentration of water than the cell? So this type of solution is hypertonic solution. In hypertonic solution, X osmosis takes place. In X osmosis, water will be eliminated from the cell. If the water is eliminated from the cell, that cell going to be shrink. So option B is the right answer. Then 154. Assertion statement. People entering into the burning place die due to suffocation. Reason: smoke contains large amount of carbon monoxide, a toxic gas. Both are true. R explains A. So option B is the right answer. R explains A. Question number 155. Study the relationship of the given pairs and choose the correct options to fill in the blank. The given estrogen, oogenesis, prolactin, lactation and oxytocin. They given the hormones and their functions. Now oxytocin function is rhythmic contraction of uterus during delivery of the baby. So option C is the right answer. The function of oxytocin hormone is rhythmic contraction of uterus during the delivery of the baby. Then question number 156. The carcinogenic toxic gas released during cigarette smoking is benzopyrene. So benzopyrene, the cigarette smoking, there is a toxic gas, that is benzopyrene. So option D is the right answer. Then question number 157. Geeta is unable to walk in a straight line. Which part of the brain is affected? Cerebellum. So cerebellum, it controls the movements of the body or coordinates the body movements. So option B is the right answer. Question number 158. In case of snake bite, doctor treats the patient with performed antibodies. What type of immunity it develops? That is artificially passive acquired immunity. In question that did not give any right option, so that if you change the word active into passive, that will be the right answer. That is the immunity, correct immunity, artificially passive acquired immunity. So if you change the word active into passive, option C is the right answer. Question number 159. Match the organisms given in column 1 with the nutritional processes given in column 2. This is organisms, this is nutritional process. Leech always parasitic nutrition. So A is third. Then amoeba is holozoic nutrition. Then mushroom is saprophytic nutrition. Then green plant is autotrophic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a process of heterotrophic nutrition. This ingesting and digesting other organism or piece of organism. Autotrophic nutrition, that is nothing but self nutrition. It prepares its own food from a simple inorganic matter such as water, mineral, salt, etc. Parasitic nutrition, this is a type of heterotrophic nutrition. These parasites lives on the body surface or inside the body of the other organisms. Saprophytic nutrition, this is the process of chemoheterotrophic nutrition. The saprophytes digest dead and decayed organic matter. So that according to this, option B is the right answer. Question number 160. Mendel crossed tall plant with the dwarf plant in his famous experiment on Pisum sativum. In the first generation, he got only tall plants because the parental plants were pure to their character. So parental plants were pure to their character. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, students.